Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of College. Welcome all of you on behalf of Group KPO. Today I deliver a lecture on storage classes in C programming. This is one of the most important topic of C programming. Actually, storage classes define four things. First one, where the variable would be stored. Second key point, what is the default initial value of the variable. Every variable has default value, so it defines what is the default initial value and where the variable would be stored. Third key property, what is the scope of the variable. Every variable has a unique scope. Fourth key point, what is the life of the variable, that is how long would be the variable will exist. So these are four primary features or properties of storage classes. There are four types of storage classes. First one is automatic storage class, second one register storage class, third one static storage class, fourth one external storage class. So we discuss one by one each storage class. First we start with automatic storage class. In case of automatic storage class, it has four properties. Automatic variable store in memory. Its default value is garbage value. Scope local to the block in which variable is defined. So scope in a particular block of automatic storage class, and life of the automatic storage class is till the control remains within the block in which variable is defined. Here keyword auto is used for declaring automatic storage class. Now we are taking examples and we discuss. In this first example, we have two variables I and j, both are automatic storage class variables. Here we are printing value of I and j. So we can see we are not assigning any value of I and j, so it print garbage value according to property, because default value of automatic storage class, as we discussed earlier, is garbage value. So it print any kind of integer value. First value of 121 of I and 226 garbage value of j. So these are two garbage values which will be displayed in our output screen. Now we discuss second example. In this example, this is the integer I. The value of I is now 1. Another integer I assignment 2, and third local block auto integer I assignment 3. So here we are using three different kind of I variable, and each time we are assigning new value. First time value of I is 1 and its scope from here to here. It means entire program. The second automatic variable, its value is 2 and its scope from here to here in this side block. And third automatic variable, its scope from this block to this block. So every time we are assigning new value. So here we are easily learn or easily see what is the meaning of scope. Here we are printing value of I. So here the value of I is 3. So it print value 3, because this 3 has a unique and local scope in this block. Second time when control goes outside this block, control goes here, in this time this 3 dead end and the value of I will be 2. Local value of I will be 2. Third time we are printing here, in this time 3 and 2 has left, so value of I will be 1. So output will be 3, 2, 1, or we can learn this program by this diagram. This is the first I and its value is 1. Its scope from here to here means entire program. In case of I assignment 2, its scope from this block local to the block. And third I, its value is 3 and its scope from here to here. Compiler always prefers local variable first. So by these two examples we can easily learn automatic storage class. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comments and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpo.com. Thank you.